going on YouTube? So, do you want free rides and free Uber coupon codes? I'm going to be showing you today how to get a Uber promo code that's going to credit you $100 to spend in the app. Alternatively, you can even get free rides. So this method takes just a few minutes using your mobile phone. I'm dressed like this because Uber are going to hate me for this and I want to keep my channel alive. So I'm going to head over to my desk and get into the tutorial, so make sure you follow the instructions carefully and let's get you that free Uber promo code. Yo guys, so have you been searching for Uber promo codes? If you have, you are probably aware there are not many promo codes for Uber that are actually worth using in 2024. But this video, I'm going to be showing you the best Uber coupon codes that you can apply now and get a bunch of free rides as well as free credit. So you need to open up your mobile phone, go to this website, www.wavycoupons.com. Make sure you spell it correctly, guys. This website is awesome. They have lots and lots of different pages. Now, if you go to the search bar at the top, you can literally just type in Uber and you're going to see Uber there and also Uber Eats. So just choose the correct one. I'm going to click on this top one that says Uber free credit and ride coupons. Open that page up and scroll down. You can see there are tons of these coupons remaining. Also, it's been rated very high by almost 1,000 people. And you can choose between two different Uber promo codes. These are both working in 2024. You can get $100 Uber account credit. Alternatively, you can also get your next 3 Uber rides for free. So click on the one you want to get. I'm going to click on this top one, and this is going to pop up confirming your choice. Now, you need to unlock your personal code, guys. It takes around 5 to 10 minutes, and when you click unlock code, you're going to see a new screen with a set of instructions. So that's exactly what I'm going to go and follow now. I'll see you once I've fully completed that. Okay guys, so I just followed all of the instructions on the screen, and it took me around 5 to 10 minutes, but it was pretty easy. I just took my time. So I've returned back to this tab, and now you have to go ahead and click on the coupon button again, and there you go. It's now revealed my Uber promo code for $100 account credit. I can then go ahead, copy this, and redeem it on the Uber app or on the website, and it's going to give me $100 to spend however I want. So you can go to wavycoupons.com and get your free Uber promo codes. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you found it useful, go ahead, smash that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave a comment if you need any help, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.